This system is ideal for use in situations where the floor is considered to be wet with hygrometer readings of up to 97% RH and where a fast turnaround is required. The system comprises ES200 Fast Cure Damp Proof Membrane, a 2-component product that can accommodate moisture readings of up to 97% RH and dries in around 4 hours. CS100 is a 2-part epoxy primer. SX302, a moisture-tolerant smoothing compound that can accept foot traffic after 90 minutes. And SF105 is a waterborne acrylic adhesive for use with linoleum and vinyl floor coverings. When using our products, ensure that you wear the correct safety equipment. Stir Part A and Part B thoroughly before transferring the Part B into the Part A container. Using a slow-speed mixing paddle, stir the contents thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes to obtain uniformity in colour. Immediately after mixing, apply the product in ribbons on the floor. Apply the mixed ES200 by use of a 2mm by 5mm notch trowel. While ES200 is still wet, flatten out serration ridges with a long-handled fluff-free roller that has been pre-wetted with ES200. To apply CS100, mix Part A and Part B thoroughly before pouring the Part B into the Part A container. Mix using a slow-speed drill and paddle for 4 to 5 minutes. Apply a thin coat to the substrate, taking care to prevent the formation of bubbles. Allow to dry for approximately 1 hour. Next, mix SX302 by pouring the Part B liquid component into a mixing bucket, followed by the Part A powder component. Mix using a slow-speed drill and paddle for 2 to 3 minutes to obtain uniformity in consistency and colour. SX302 needs to be applied directly after mixing by pouring a ribbon of material along the wet edge and then troweled to form a smooth, even finish. It can be applied in thickness from 1 to 10mm. The effective use of spike rolling can reduce visible trowel marks. Apply SF105 using a 1.5 by 5mm notched trowel. Only spread enough adhesive that can be covered within the product's open time. Lay the floor covering into a semi-wet adhesive and press firmly from the centre to exclude air and ensure overall contact. Roll immediately in both directions using a 68 kg flooring roller. We recommend that you roll the surface a second time. Before using any Tremco products, ensure that you've downloaded and read the latest copy of our datasheets.